Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an amazing project that is Bull. You just have to believe. So first of all, we have their social platform like their Telegram community, their Twitter account, their Instagram page, their TikTok page, and their chart on Dex Screener and Dex Tool. Next we have their contract address. Here you can see their contract address. You must copy their contract address, paste it on your wallet and buy these tokens. So next we have some information about Bull. Bull isn't just a meme coin, it's a mindset. Born from the relentless energy of the market's most iconic symbol, Bull represents strength, confidence, and unstoppable momentum. In a world full of noise, Bull charges forward with one mission: to bring power back to the community and turn memes into movement. We believe crypto should be fun, fearless, and driven by people, not institutions. That's why Bull is built on pure community spirit, viral culture, and the shared belief that together we can push beyond limits. No complicated promises, no unnecessary hype, just a bold, charging force fueled by memes, momentum, and believers who refuse to slow down. You can check it out, the different memes right here. This is an outstanding platform. Next we have that why we choose Bull, because average isn't just in our DNA. Bull stands for momentum, strength, and a community that never backs down. In a sea of forgettable tokens, Bull charges ahead with purpose, built for those who think bigger, move faster, and stay bullish no matter the market. You can check it out, their art gallery. This is an outstanding platform. You must join their social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. And furthermore, and you can also see their chart on Dex Screener and Dex Tool. This is an outstanding platform. You must invest here and enjoy their amazing features. So, before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor. I'm just telling you about their amazing project. So do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.